So we have designed mod counter using 7490 ripple binary and decade counter. Now we'll see how one more IC is there, which is synchronous counter 74191. Using that counter we are trying to design mod counter. So 7490 is negative edge triggered IC. 74191 is positive edge triggered IC. So we are connecting the clock pulse to positive edge clock pulse. Now one more important thing is using this, if mod counter is to be generated, there is an importance of parallel load signal and this parallel load data input values, and based on that it gets reset. So for resetting, the parallel load and this 4 ABCD input values are important. important. Now one more thing is, when I say mod n, so that n can be from mod 0 to n minus 1 count, or whatever the final count is, that is 15 से लेके उल्टा. If I have mod 10, then I can start from mod 0 to mod 9. I can start from the states 0 to 9, or I can start from S5 to S6 to S15. Okay, so any limit can be taken. Either I can take the lower limit and get all the different required states, or I can start with the upper limit and get the all required state, and gives me the number of state. So here in this I have designed mod 11 counter with the help of both the methods, where I have S0 to S10, that is total 11 states, and the second way is S5 to S15, total 11 states. So what can be done here? So I am starting with S0. So the initial level, that is what is my initial count is, that is given on ABCD. Okay, so whatever initial count is, that should be given on ABCD. So S0 is 0, so ABCD all should be 0, so that is connected to ground. If I have the second method in which I am starting from S5, ABCD, where A is LSB and D is MSB, I have to give 5 as an input count, so that can be given by 0101. So these input signals are directly connected to input digital inputs, and those are set so that those can carry 0101. Right now it has a positive edge clock pulse, so that is to be connected to the pulsar. These two pins, that is CTEN and DU bar. Now what it means, I am using up counter. It can be used as up counter mode or down counter, so I am using up counter, so it is connected to ground. Okay, now here RC means what? RC is the signal on which 74191 sends 0 for single clock pulse when it reaches its terminal count, that is 15. Whenever the count, by just by adding 1111 to the previous count, when the circuit reaches 15 automatically, that is what the terminal count is. Now if I am using up counter mode, my terminal count will be 15. So whenever terminal count is reached, for single clock pulse, RC signal will go low. Okay, and if I am using down counter, that RC signal will go low when my terminal count is 0 is reached. Okay, it depends upon up mode or down mode, the terminal count is either 15 or 0. So it is a binary counter, that is goes from 0 to 15, and 7490 is decade counter, which goes from 0 to 9. That is what the difference between these two counters. So making use of that RC here, what I can do is, whenever 15 is reached, I have to set back to the initial count. So initial count is already given on ABCD, and RC gives me low value whenever the 15 is reached. So one by one, when it gets incremented, when once 15 is reached, it can be given to लोड बार, इट इज़ एक्टिव लो. सो जब भी यहाँ पे टर्मिनल काउंट रीच होगा, ये लो जाएगा, ऑटोमेटिकली ये एक्टिव हो जाएगा. वेन एवर लोड इज एक्टिवेटेड, whatever input values are given on ABCD, those are given to 74191. So this way S5 to S15 works. But now here what we have to do is, so whenever it reaches a particular count, that is 10, it has to reset back, or it on that particular thing it has to give me the negative pulse. For rest of the states, it should give me the positive pulse. That is from S0 to S10, this circuit should give me 1 as a value, and rest of the states it should give me the negative value. So based on that, this K map and equation is generated and the circuit is drawn, and that is connected to PL bar. And once suppose it is S0 to S10, 11 is reached, automatically this particular thing should be whenever a low comes on this load pin, जो भी ABCD में कनेक्टेड है उससे ये 74191 रीसेट हो जाएगा, फिर स्टार्ट हो जाएगा. तो 11 के आगे जो भी स्टेट है उसके लिए ये 000 हो जाएगा. आई होप यू रिमेंबर द थ्योरी पार्ट बिहाइंड इट. So the same thing is done over here. So for getting an understanding, what I have done is, even if these two circuits are shown for mod 11, I have implemented mod 8 using such method and mod 11 by this same method. So let us see the outputs over here. So this is for mod 8. So my count should go from 0 to 7. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and reset back to 0. So I have designed a circuit with AND and OR gate combination such that whenever it reaches 8th count, automatically PL bar load will get 0 value, and this ABCD are connected to ground. So automatically it will reset back to 0. We'll see the second part where this is somewhat easy circuit, because in this I have to get an equation. Based on that, the connections are made with AND, OR and NOT, and the 74191. So this is done. So I am not going to explain in detail for mod 8. So this is how mod 8 works, 0 to 7 states. So it starts from 0th state. Now the second circuit in which it starts from any intermediate state and it ends with 15 state. So using this 74191, this method, that is interrupt on terminal count, that is whenever a count is reached, a particular count, terminal count is reached, as I am using up counter, that means terminal count is 15. Whenever terminal count is reached, RC will go low for single clock pulse. On that clock pulse, this load bar get activated, and whatever inputs are given on this pins, the circuit will be loaded with that value. So using this, we have implemented this. Okay. So 0, 1, okay. So here it should start from 5 and it should end. So as I said, ABCD, these are the inputs. Those are connected with this ABCD 0, 1, 2, 3, and these are the outputs. So it should start from 5 to 15. Okay. So it is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Again it goes back to 5. Okay. And what happens if I won't connect it here? That is 0. That means after 15 it should go back to 0, right? 0, 1, 2, 3. Because my what I have done, whenever terminal count is reached, it should go back to the value that is connected to ABCD. अगर 0 किया है तो वहाँ पे 0 से स्टार्ट होगा, लेकिन मुझे S5 to S15 कितने 11 स्टेट्स चाहिए, तो यहाँ पे होगा 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, अगेन 5. नाउ यहाँ पे मैंने पल्सर पे लगाया है पॉजिटिव एज ट्रिगर. नाउ इट इज़ पॉसिबल दैट इंस्टेड ऑफ कनेक्टिंग ओवर हियर आई कैन कनेक्ट इट हियर. सो नो नीड टू डू, I don't have to put the clock pulse. Automatically it will show me the output this way in a particular speed. So clock pulse 1 hertz clock pulse is provided over here automatically, and it will show me the output automatically. 14, 15, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 5. Got it? So this way 74191 can be used. This is synchronous counter IC with positive age triggered. 7490 is asynchronous counter IC which is negative age triggered. That is decade or BCD counter. It is a binary counter which has the maximum count of 15. 7490 has maximum count of 10. So this is how mod counters can be designed.